Next, please welcome competitor 21, Jason Genova, in elevator order.
Gastrocnemius.
Next, let's welcome competitor 22, Maurice Kellier from Port St. Lucie. All right, let's bring that fifth place trophy to competitor number 21, Jason Genova. Fourth place, competitor 23, Kyle McCarthy. Third place, competitor number 20, Jonathan Mellers. Second place, competitor number 16, Ricardo Sotelo. And our winner, competitor 22, Maurice Kellier. Hands up.
It's politics, bro.
Thank you, ladies. All right, gentlemen, stay right there. Get a little bit closer, a little tighter. I know you're big. Get your favorite pose. Thank you very much. Moving into our heavyweight.
Holy crap.
This is the light heavyweight class. Quarter turn to the right.
Right in the middle where he needs to be.
Another quarter turn to the right. Another quarter turn to the right. And now face the judges.
Good job, Jason.
Okay, if number 15 and 4 will switch. Okay, and now 16 and 4 will switch.
Go, Jason.
Okay, let's start with a front double bicep.
That's right.
Front lat spread.
No, yes.
Good, he's having fun.
Yes.
Side chest of your choice.
Just put it in. No, I need to.
Smile, baby.
Side tricep of your choice. Face the rear of the stage. And give us a rear double bicep.
Just tell that. Bobby, you didn't do the job. You didn't tell Rich. You couldn't.
Rear lat spread. Face the judges. And with one leg extended forward and hands overhead and double.
Back, close that.
And now your most muscular.
There he goes. Jason, no. Go, Jason! Yeah, Jason! Hold that pose, JG.
Okay, thank you very much. These are our right.
Good job, Jason! What's up?